I gotta go find the corned beef. Shit, I almost forgot about that. But I wanted you to see how it looked with the piece on it. Even though it ain't all the way on, I just put on 2 bolts. Guys, what's up? It's your boy CeeLo back with another Smoking Metal Car Fun video. How's everybody day going? I'm just out here enjoying the good weather for the change. Me and my monster storm. Hopefully y'all get a good look at it with nice sunshine a little bit. But today we're gonna go ahead and get into the video about the alternator on my 05 Dodge Magnum SXT V6. Alternator went up on me, guys. You already knew I was having problems with my battery. Come to find out after it's only been a year and the alternator went up. So with that being said, we went on and snatched the alternator out. For the people who might need to know how to take out their alternator, number one, you need a number 13 for your bolt to go to the positive. Go on the back of the alternator right here. You need a number 13, and you need a 15 to take off all your bolts. So, and you, of course, you need the breaker bar, as you can see up there, so that way you can remove your tension belt off the alternator. So, and you need a number 10 for your battery. So always make sure you disconnect your battery. In my case, my battery is already out. It's in the house, brand new battery. But yeah. So now we on our way to the auto parts store to go exchange my battery, because I called them to make sure that my alternator, I did get it from Advance, because usually that's where I get most of my parts from, is either Advance or AutoZone or Napa. So right now I'm getting ready to do that. But truck, y'all see my Ghetto Fabulous, I filled that in. Remember, that was whole patch. You know, I just filled it in just to fill it in. Even, you know, makes it look a little bit not so rusty, you know what I mean? So that's my little bit of work. I already know I'm not getting ready to pull that. I might be able to bang it, but yep. So yeah, back to back work being done. Yes, and my daughter's out there riding her bike. What's up, y'all? That's Trinity's new bike. Well, I guess I can walk up here. I gotta carry. Gotta take my alternator to the truck. She finally can ride her bike that she got from her grandparents. I'm gonna say about almost a year. Not Christmas just passed, but the Christmas before. She had got the bike. This is the first time that she's actually riding it. What's up, Dad? First time she's actually riding it. Hey, Derek, what are you getting ready to do? You planning on helping me work on my car or something?
Trinity, if you're eating with us, it's almost dinner time. Okay.
It's time to put the bike up.
Okay.
You ain't gotta go all the way down to turn around. So, I'll catch y'all in a little bit after I go get this alternator for the Magnum. Alright guys, I'm at Advanced Auto Parts. I took the alternator inside. They ran the alternator and it came up that it's good. So now we gotta figure out what else is the problem. Is the wires need to be cleaned up. So we're gonna go home full with the battery terminals and underneath of the hood where you jump it at, and clean up the alternator bolt terminal, clean that up where the ground and everything sits on, clean that up and see where we go from there. Hopefully it'll start holding the charge after we clean up the wires. But in the meantime, the alternator is good. So we narrowed that down. So now let's take this ride back to my crib. I lie to y'all not if y'all to rode with me on the way up here. This dog, when they say St. Bernards, Newfoundlands, they're lap dogs, this is ridiculous. This was on the ride. So hopefully she gonna stay over there, but maybe y'all will catch her doing some crazy stuff again. Trying to get in my seat, taking over my seat. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. So yeah, Advance say we good, so good business. So now, let's try to take this ride back to the crib, man. Hopefully, it's gonna be interesting. Fooling with her, it'll be interesting. Come on, man. Look out, please. Come on. I need you to just chill. These people getting their windshield wipers changed.
My brother-in-law died suddenly, and now my sister and her kids have to sell their home. That's why I told my husband we could not put off getting life insurance.
Yep. So I'm gonna need you to stay on your side of the truck this time. You know, 'cause you're not doing the driving. I am. So I appreciate it if you stay over there. Our gas cap is hanging on. So, now, we ain't good with that. With the alternator. So now, you guys tell me what y'all think it could be. Yeah, change the, well, I don't have to change the alternator, but I have the alternator and I had it tested, so the alternator is good. So, what could it be that's draining my batteries? I don't understand. So we're gonna find out. Hopefully, we can find out. So, yeah. Truck is fixed. The tires that I tried to put on here, they wouldn't fit. They were 305s. They ain't gonna fit on here, they're a little too big. I would actually have to lift the truck up a little bit, which that's a thought. I'm thinking about that. Just so y'all know. Thinking about lifting the truck. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about lifting the Escalade. Just raise it up about 3 inches, 2 at the most, probably 2. My wife ain't gonna like it too high, but 2 to 3 maybe, from where it's at now. So, I think it'll look good if it was up about 2 to 3 inches. What you think, Storm? You drooling all over the place, man. Rags in here. Ain't got nothing. Can you fix that? No paper towels. Ugh. Nasty mouth. Move. Your mother gonna kill us. I gotta clean her truck, man. All that unnecessary drooling. You wanted to come. You actually chilling. It's just, no, you stay over there. I ain't got nothing to wipe your jaws off with. Still recording, sorry. Right, a whole lot better though.